How to make a CV that gets shortlisted by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Your CV is the first filter in the hiring process. Recruiters spend 6 to 10 seconds scanning a CV, and most CVs are rejected before the interview stage. The good news is, a CV gets rejected not because of lack of talent, but because it is poorly structured and not targeted. This guide explains how to make a CV that actually gets shortlisted. 1. Start with a strong professional summary. This is the most important section of your CV. Crossmark mistake. Writing a long paragraph. Generic statements like, hardworking and honest. White heavy checkmark correct way. Write 2 to 3 lines highlighting your role, experience, and key skills. Example. Results-oriented mechanical engineer with strong analytical skills and hands-on experience in quality management. Skilled in process improvement and compliance with industry standards. 2. Customize your CV for every job. One CV for all jobs equals rejection. Crossmark mistake. Same CV for every company. White heavy checkmark correct way. Modify keywords and skills according to the job description. 3. Use a clean and professional format. Recruiters prefer clarity, not design. Crossmark mistake. Too many colors. Fancy fonts. Long paragraphs. White heavy checkmark correct way. 1 page, freshers, / 2 page, experienced. Simple fonts, Calibri, Arial. Clear headings and bullet points. 4. Focus on achievements, not just duties. Your results matter more than responsibilities. Crossmark mistake. Responsible for quality inspection. White heavy checkmark correct way. Improved inspection accuracy by 15% through process standardization. 5. Use keywords, ATS-friendly CV. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS. Crossmark mistake. Missing job-related keywords. White heavy checkmark correct way. Include skills, tools, and terms mentioned in the job description. 6. Highlight relevant skills clearly. Skills should be easy to find. Crossmark mistake. Hiding skills in paragraphs. White heavy checkmark correct way. Create a skills section with bullet points. Technical skills. Software/tools. Soft skills, limited. 7. Keep education and experience relevant. Relevance everything else. Crossmark mistake. Listing all subjects. Old, irrelevant experience. White heavy checkmark correct way. Mention only relevant education, internships, and experience. 8. Avoid common CV mistakes. Small errors can kill your chances. Crossmark spelling or grammar mistakes. Crossmark fake information. Crossmark personal details, CNIC, religion, marital status. Crossmark too many hobbies. 9. Add a strong skills plus tools section. This increases shortlisting chances. Example. Quality management systems. MS Excel, Power BI. AutoCAD. SAP/ERP. Documentation and reporting. 10. End with a professional closing. Optional but helpful. Example. References available upon request. CV checklist before applying. Heavy checkmark job-specific keywords added. Heavy checkmark clean format. Heavy checkmark no spelling mistakes. Heavy checkmark quantified achievements. Heavy checkmark updated contact information. Conclusion. A CV that gets shortlisted is clear, targeted, achievement-focused, and ATS-friendly. When you stop writing what you did and start writing what you achieved, recruiters start calling you.